Hello everyone, we're back, and I'm wearing the same clothes as Tuesday. No, of course not, don't be silly. It's still Tuesday. Actually, it's Monday. You're probably confused by now. I figured I'd go ahead and just knock out both days' worth of lectures. It doesn't look like it's going to be a smooth start though. Today we're going to continue talking about Obscure Stummy, and specifically we are going to be discussing Michael Price's Imagining Life, the ending of Taste of Cherry. Just one thing, like this week's readings are kind of interesting in the sense that they're not strictly academic writings, right? They're not chapters from books. They're not articles from peer reviewed journals. They are coming from, well, that's not true. I guess the introduction from Rosenbaum is an academic book, just not written by an academic. This is an essay posted to the website Senses of Cinema, which is kind of, like between academia and I would say, let's say, just completely non-academic sort of discourse. It's somewhere in the middle, but does speak to, let's say, like a cinephile culture, right? A sort of movie culture. I, funnily enough, could not find anything on Michael Price because I wanted to know if he, excuse me, if he were an academic or not. But Senses of Cinema itself didn't provide much, any real biographical information other than the fact that he's a writer in soul, or he was when he was writing this. So at the very least, that it doesn't put him down as an academic. I think we can guess that he's not an academic. And so just to kind of build off of the earlier class, just some key points, like types of writing about film, right? Not really film writing, but writing about film. You get the point, right? This, I think, would fit into kind of another type, in addition to what we've already sort of looked at. 2, and this is really the bulk of what Price talks about, is the orientation towards the audience. How does he think about the reader? We kind of left off the Rosenbaum with this, right? And then finally, again, the question of Orientalism. How do we imagine the quote-unquote East, right? Okay, so we'll get to that in a second.